Performing at the highest level in professional cycling demands the utmost of both athlete and equipment. Every year, strives to improve the rider's performance in the areas of nutrition, health, and materials to maximize speed and performance. Additive Manufacturing has developed a groundbreaking solution for Team Sunweb using the technology of 3D printing. Team Sunweb challenged to improve the aerodynamic position of the rider and reduce the weight so they can go farther and faster. An important element is the body position of the rider on the bike. To reduce aerodynamic drag, the rider should aim to sit towards the front of the bike in a tucked position. This aerodynamic position can offer a competitive edge for cyclists, especially during individual time trials.
Various wind tunnel tests showed us that tucking your head and shrugging the shoulders lower the CDA significantly.
Arm pads and wedges are a simple yet effective solution to improving the aerodynamics and performance. The pads and wedges allow the rider to maintain a more aerodynamic position longer, reducing fatigue and increasing comfort. By reducing the weight of the arm pads, the performance of the rider can be further improved. Turn to 3D printing technology to develop 3D printed arm pads and wedges to reduce weight and aerodynamic drag. To match Team Sunweb's needs, the solution needed to be strong enough to resist forces of a bike, speed